pupuntahan natin guys, makikita natin or ma-feature natin yung 60 feet na sculpture na gawa ng isang artist na si David Kemp. So si David Kemp is from Cornwall and he is famous kasi he make things, yung mga arts niya, he made it out of old materials or used materials from junks. So, ayun, isa sa mga ginawa niya ay nandoon sa kung saan tayo pupunta today. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys. Ayan, naalis na ako. Ayan na nga guys, nandito tayo sa may Hayes Galleria, sa may harapan lang to ng London Bridge Station. So tara, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung sinasabi ko about dun sa art. So, ayun na nga guys, nandito na ako sa harapan ng art ni David Kemp. Yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina sa intro ko. And at the moment, hindi siya gumagalaw. Usually gumagalaw to and may tubig siya sa baba. So, ayan, papakita ko na lang sa inyo. Dito nga yung sinasabi ko Instagrammable, diba? Ayan guys, oh. Ayan, full of flowers. So, fake flowers lang siya, pero very cute siya guys, look. Ayan. I think kainan to dahil may mga tables and chairs, pero hindi pa siya naka-set up kasi maaga pa naman. So, ayan. Oh, totoo din talaga. I think totoo to guys. So, ayan. Pero yung mga nasa taas, yung mga yan, fake flowers yan. Pero yung mga nasa gilid dyan dito, totoo naman siya. So, ayan yung place.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you. Without you. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.
So guys, dito ko na tatapusin ang aking video for today. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aking vlog. And please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next one. Bye!